What's up, Guiding Bolt fans? This is Nick. Welcome back to another Codewars.com Python training challenge. I believe we are on day number 11, so thanks again for sticking with me. Unfortunately, I forgot that I have some additional errands that I have to run today. So, in an effort to not get stuck, but also still be able to put out some content, I have switched us from 7 Caillou to 8 Caillou just to get something that's a little bit easier this time. I'm going to try not to do this very often, but I still want to make sure that I'm at least coding daily. And for my one viewer out there, whoever you are, thanks for sticking with me and watching. I wanted to give you something to enjoy as well. So, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and try to get this one done. Today we are going to calculate BMI. So it says here to write a function BMI that calculates body mass index, or BMI, equals weight divided by height squared, or to the second power. If BMI, so there's just a bunch of if statements here. Basically, return underweight, normal, overweight, or obese, depending on what we actually calculate here. So this should be real easy, and I'm actually thinking we can probably cheat and copy and reuse some of this example right here for this code. We should just be able to get this done with a simple if, elif, else statement. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. First, let's go ahead and create our BMI calculation. So we're going to say BMI is equal to weight divided by height, and then to get that to the second power, it's going to be asterisk 2. So that's saying to raise it to the second power. Then we just need, let's go ahead and just copy all of this, paste that into there. Let's throw some tabs in there. On our if statement, we need to end that with a colon and a return on each of these. We'll turn this into an elif. Let's see here, this will also be an elif. And this guy, we can get rid of all this actually, and we'll just go ahead and make that an else, return obese. Let's go ahead and just give this a once over. So basically, create our variable with the BMI or the number, and then just do a check going right down the line. So if BMI is less than or equal to 18.5, underweight, 25 normal, 30 overweight, else return obese. So let's go ahead and give that a roll. Excellent. Passed all of them, which we hopefully should at this point. I feel like we are a little above 8 Caillou, but doesn't hurt to go back to the fundamentals just to make sure we haven't forgot anything. And we haven't passed it all yet, so let's attempt this. There we go. Perfect. So there you have it. That is calculate BMI. Probably in under 5 minutes we got that solved. So let's go ahead and get that submitted. See if we could have done it in one line somehow. Well, that's basically the same thing we got there. We'll have to look at that one. So there are a few one-liners, but basically everybody's doing, looks like, pretty much the exact same thing. So again, thanks for watching. Sorry I had to pick an easy one this time. Hope everyone will forgive me, and I'll catch you hopefully in the next one.